Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about radio telescope. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. Determine the value of this ratio. That's it about this one. For the radio telescope presented. So we need to find diameter and focal distance in here. So to find diameter of this radar, we need to use this 18 minus number 2. So the diameter of this radar in here, you got about 18 minus 2, you got about 16 meters. The next one, let's see about focal distance. About this one, the picture number 1 in here, the focal distance is about 18.2. So in this situation, we can calculate this one. Diameter is about 16, and we got about 1.15. The next one, that's about this ball in here. We know that this ball in the center of diameter in here, so we can calculate this ball to here. We divide 16 over 2, you got about 8. 8 plus 2, you got about 10. And we can find this ratio in here, that should be about 10 over 16. And we got about 0.625. So the next one ideally should be about 0.5. So we have diameter is about 16. The ratio is about 0.5. And we have S. So we can find the value of S in here. That should be about 16 multiplied with 0.5, and you got about 8 meters. So that means the focal point in here, if they want to get about 8 meters, and 8 is same with the value of the radius of this parabola, so that means this one should move to like this. Then we go to touch down to the ground. So this is about ideal of this one. Question B, to increase the value of the ratio without reducing the diameter of the reflector, what change should be made to the shape of the parabola? That's why I just put in here. So that means to get about this 0.5, this one should touch down on the ground. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.